Alrighty, traders. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. I don't know where you are in the world, but hey, listen here. I had to start a video right here. I didn't have the schedule, but I had to go ahead and start a video here and talk about what's going on with Bitcoin as we go into the weekend, because I think there's going to be some seriously big moves this weekend, at least what I'm seeing on the technicals. And I'm seeing a lot of opportunities on, for instance, Terra and as well as Avalanche, that we have to pay attention, because I've just moved money out of Litecoin and moved money into Avalanche, as well as looking at Terra as well. And the reason for that is all explained in this video. So stick around. Let's take a look and see what's going on right here with Bitcoin and the other altcoins, and why there's an opportunity on these other altcoins, and what altcoins are giving us the best opportunity. So we're going to dig into the details. Welcome to the show. My name is Gary Fickard, Director of Trader Year. As we dig into the details of what's going on, let's go to Bitcoin first and take a look at Bitcoin first. Hey, by the way, traders, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We broadcast in on different platforms. So make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, FxBigDog, as well as the Traders Network Club as well. And let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on here. So Bitcoin at the moment right now, if we take a look at Bitcoin is trading just above that 57,000 level. Now, if you've been watching my tweets, you've been watching my videos and that, I've always been talking about Bitcoin and what it needs to do around that 57,000. Now, we did get to 60,000. It did test 60,000, but we haven't broken above it and stayed above it, okay? And it's right at that level right now. You see there, it's 59,900 and change. So it's right there at that 60,000, but it hasn't broken and stayed above there. This is what's important to me as I look at the technicals and I define what the market's going to do. Firstly, number one, if we break above 60,000, then we are going to 62,579, call it. But we're going to 62,000. Now, 62,000 is very important. And the reason why it's important to me is when we have a wave structure like we have right here, where price has gone ahead and created this wave 1, 2, 3, and now we're in this 4 to 5 wave move. Price should turn here at the 1.27. But if it extends itself and goes to the 1.618, then this means that we are going to expect Bitcoin to continue its trend. So what it's going to do is, if we rally all the way up here to 62,000, we're going to get a little pullback, we're going to get a pullback, and then we're going to get another rally. Now, I know that there's been a lot of hype and talk about Bitcoin going to 100,000. Some said 73,000, some said 80,000, some are calling 100,000 in play. Now, I'm not saying that Bitcoin's not going to get you 100,000. I'm just going to tell you where I'm anticipating price to move between, so that you can position yourself on the altcoins, all right? Because the altcoins is really where the money's going to be at. Because traders, if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, unless you bought in back 5 years ago and you bought it at $200 a Bitcoin, it's going to make a fantastic change to your life, right? But if you've been buying Bitcoin at 40,000, 42,000, think about it this way. If you bought it 40,000 and it goes to 80,000, you've made 100% on your money, right? But Bitcoin's got to go to 80,000 for you to make 100% on your money. If it goes to 100,000, right? Sorry, I meant if it goes to 80. But if it goes to 100,000, right? Then you're going to make 1.5 times your money. So you make 150% if you bought it 40,000 and price moves to 100,000. You're going to make 150% on your money, which is fantastic, all right? But if you look at the altcoins are going to create much bigger opportunity, and in the short term too. It doesn't have to be a long-term Bitcoin type of rally. It can be a short-term rally for you, and this is why I'm looking at this at the moment right now. Check this out. If I go to the altcoins and I take a look at the last 7 days of which altcoins have performed the worst. And I'm saying the worst because I'm looking for the market to go ahead and rally further, right? So I'm looking for more upside move in the altcoins. And so what I'm looking for is I'm looking for these altcoins that are showing me that they've lost value over the last 7 days, because that's going to give me the biggest opportunity as Bitcoin starts rallying. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what that looks like. If I look over here on the chart, we can see that we've got Bitcoin up over the last 7 days. We're up 7%. Ethereum's up 6%. But then just keep going down right here. Take a look over here. As you move further down south, take a look at Terra right here. Terra's down 20% in the last week. That means opportunity. That is created opportunity for us, right? So Terra's lost 20%. What else is lost on this? Take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is down 9%. So just the two right here, all right? Avalanche and Terra, both of them indicating opportunity, right? Now these other coins, but I don't go past. Even Cosmos right here could be an opportunity right here. It's down 10%. So let me go into the details right here. Oh, by the way, take a look at ICP. ICP is down 15%. That's also an opportunity. So ICP, Avalanche, Luna, which is Terra, and then we've got Cosmos as well. So let's go into a couple of the details on the chart. So as I go into, and by the way, if Bitcoin does go to 62,000, you can imagine how these altcoins are going to start rallying too. So let's go into, let's do Avalanche first. And take a look at Avalanche. We'll go into Luna as well, but let's take a look at Avalanche. I'm going to go mark that off there. But let's go into Avalanche, which is right here. And let's take a look at the chart. So if you look at Avalanche right here, you can see it's been in a downside move right here. But in the short term, I'm not even looking at the long-term target, right? Long-term targets are all the way up here at around about $89. But if you're looking over here in the short-term target is there at around about 85. Now, price is trading at $55 right now. You're trading at 55. So if I go ahead and take a look at the upside move, this is the swing. This is the last swing that I've gone ahead and created right here. If I look at price moving up to this level, right? This level, we're looking at a 50, actually more than that. Yeah, about a 55% gain on Avalanche. So that's just in the short term. So in the short term, you can gain 55% on your trade by getting in at the price that it's at right now. So there's a 55% gain on Avalanche. Let's go take a look at. I'm going to go into Luna right here. Take a look at Luna. Right? Luna, which is Terra, by the way, has gone ahead and created this large swing. We have this big little sell-off right here. But the sell-off's created this nice little swing, like you're seeing right here. Nice little swing. So we're expecting Terra to go ahead and start moving up. Here is a great place to buy Terra. And look at this right here. Look at the upside potential on this. We're looking at approximately 40% gain on this one right here. We've got a 40% opportunity, ROI on Luna right now. All right? It doesn't have to go Bitcoin 100,000. If Bitcoin goes to 100,000, imagine how the altcoins are going to rally, right? Because everything is related to that. So let's go take a look at the next one right here. As we look at the next setup, let me go ahead and take a look at the next setup right here, which I'm going to go to. And it's going to be on, let me take a look here. I've got Lunar, and we said ICP, right? ICP is another opportunity here. So ICP, oh, hang on. I'm surprised I don't have ICP in my watch list right here. Let me go ahead and type it up right here. ICP. Should have it locked and loaded in. Okay, so look at ICP. Let's see if it's on my watch list here. All right, so ICP is at 42 right now. 42. Let's take a look at the what's going on with ICP here. So ICP has forget about this big pump that we had right here, but let's just look at this last swing right here. This is the last swing that we had completed a 5-wave structure. So we did expect ICP to go ahead and fall. But it is at a point where we're now expecting ICP to grow, okay? And it can only grow from this point onwards. But we've got to look for signs where the market's bottomed out. So I'm going to go ahead and look and see if we've got a bottom out right here. Did price take out the low? No, it did not. So look at this. This is great. So here we have a low on that retracement. On the deepest retracement move, we had a low form right here. What does this trend line look like right here? No, this is not going to look interesting. No, not as great. But look at this right here. So we hit a low right here. Inside this, let me go ahead and draw it a little closer up right here. You got to look at this. This is interesting. As price has gone ahead and created, look at this. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is awesome. So ICP at the moment right now, with this big sell-off that we had right here, we're at a position here that ICP should see a big move to the upside. In fact, looking at this right now, because of the opportunity, I might even move money back into ICP because I took money out of ICP when we hit tops. And now I may look to reinvest back in ICP because ICP is offering us an opportunity. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw in a fib from the bottom right here to here. This is my short-term opportunity. Forget about the long-term outlook. The long-term outlook is still up here. Here it is right here. We're looking for ICP to go to a 123. I'm going to mark it off right here. 123. That is just in the midterm. Long-term, probably higher than that. But look at the opportunity here. So in the short term, we can look at a gain of about 59%. If it continues, if you want to be a long-term hold on this, and we go to 123, we're looking at 189, call it 190% return on this. And this is not unlikely, all right? This is not unlikely. We can certainly get to that level. So there's a great opportunity on Avalanche, Terra, ICP, which is showing at the moment right now. It's listed now on the market cap 23. So it's Internet Computer ICP, and it is current market cap is around about 7 billion. So we've got 7B on market cap. It is rated now 27. It has dropped a little bit. We are expecting to move, so we'll keep an eye on that. But that is definitely something to pay attention to. So the reason why I wanted to do this video just before the weekend is because I think it's really setting up. Things are really at a very critical level on Bitcoin. And if we do blow above 60,000 and we get to that 62,000 on Bitcoin, then all of the altcoins are going to follow suit. So it's definitely going to be good and a good situation for traders to get back in on altcoins if you have not already invested in the altcoins. So I want to go ahead and share that with you guys. Take it however you want it. It's certainly something that you want to go ahead and check out. Before we leave you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's Traders Network Club as well as FxBigDog. Subscribe to both these channels as we continue to monitor the altcoins, monitor these opportunities that are coming along the way, because investing is investing, whether it's currencies, stocks, options, futures, or even in cryptos. If the opportunity is there, why would you not want to grow your money? So take a look at the opportunity. I'll see you in the next video. This is FxBigDog signing off. Thank you, traders.